Hi everyone, this is Kim from Expression Artworks and thank you so much for joining me today on my YouTube channel. Today I am making a fun beach themed wood sign using a stencil. I have all my materials and I'm ready to go. I have a 9 by 12 inch wood panel that I ordered from Michaels, white chalk paint by Folk Art, and a light blue acrylic craft paint. I also ordered my stencil from stencilsmith.com. I'm using two different brushes, one being a foam brush, you could use any brush you prefer, and the other being my stencil brush for when I'm ready to apply my stencil. So the first thing I'm doing is applying a thin coat of the background color to the surface and all the sides. From there, I went ahead and I applied a second coat because of course I want that nice even coverage. If I'm happy with the result, then I'll go ahead and make sure my surface is fully dried, because of course you don't want to have any smudges or marks when it's time to go ahead and apply your stencil. Before I apply my stencil, I'm just taking my little sand tool and I'm lightly sanding the edges, giving it a little bit of a distressed look, and just going over the surface to have it smooth and prepped for the stencil. Then I want to decide where I want my stencil, and then from there I'll just put some tape around the edges just to secure the stencil from moving. I'm going to be using my stencil brush now. After I dip it in my paint, I just want to make sure I remove any excess paint and offload it onto the paper towel. If you have too much paint on your brush, then it's going to get underneath and it's going to cause a mess. And that's the last thing you want to do after working so hard to achieve your final results. As I go ahead and I stencil, I just go in a nice circular motion and I don't apply too much pressure. If I need more paint, I just go right ahead, dip that brush right in, offload, and keep going until I finish stenciling. If you're liking this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And there you go. You gently remove it and voila.